Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. I hope you are doing well today. Today I will be unboxing some items I got from the Boxycharm Pop-Up store. I think they have it every 3 months and they pretty much have a bunch of products that are on sale. So this is what came. It was not a Boxycharm box. I don't know. I guess I was expecting one, but it just came in a regular box. So this is what I purchased. I got this Morphe highlighter and contour beauty sponge. I just wanted to try it out. I have a beauty blender, but they're 20 bucks. So I was hoping that this would do. I think this was like $3. So maybe it's not as soft, but I haven't tested it out yet. But it has these nice curves, edges that I thought would be good for under my eyes or whatnot. So that's the first product. The second product was I got this cute little notebook that said, "Girl, you got this," which is often something that I would say, like, "You go, girl," or "Girl." So I thought this was cute, and I can use it at work. I always am reaching for notepads or scrap paper or things. And the next product I got was I got this Gloss Me Hydrating Treatment Mask for your hair. It strengthens, repairs, and adds shine. I have not used this, but it says you leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. I believe this was $6 or $8, but it's a pretty big size, and I'm always searching for the perfect hair mask. And next, I got this Mind Tan. It says Salon Professional Formula Gradual Tan Extender. An untinted daily moisturizer with a touch of tan. Build or extend a natural golden glow. Invisible color everyday glow. And you apply this to freshly cleaned skin. Smooth on evenly and blend thoroughly. Use sporadically around knuckles, knees, ankles, and elbows. Wash your hands immediately after. So I've tried some Jergens products for gradual glow. I think they're not always the best. I think sometimes they can be kind of, well, shitty. I don't know how else to say it. Yeah, so I wanted to try this and see how that would work. It is becoming fall, and I like a little bit of a tan. The next thing I got is by Frank Body, and it's a lip scrub in shimmer. Soft, shimmering lips are one scrub away. So I thought this would be nice, and it was, I think, around $3. I haven't tried it, but it is shimmery. And you just scrub it on your lips for soft lips. And I thought this would be really good. I get incredibly chapped, dry lips in the winter, so I thought I might start prepping for that. And then I got this matte lipstick in the shade Red Rock. I have not opened this up, so let's open it up. The MAC formula. I got another MAC lipstick in a box, and it was a nude color, but I thought the formula was really good. So that's it. Let's try it on. I'm wearing lip gloss, so. I think it looks pretty cute. It would look deeper if I hadn't had lip gloss underneath it. Yeah, I think that's a good, and this again was like $3. My friend said something that she liked this formula and she loves red lipstick. If I would have known that, I would have ordered more for her. So being it that Boxycharm can't quite get everything right all the time, there is a product that I ordered that is not in the box, and it was, of course, the one product that I really wanted. I know that's such like first world problems, like, oh, I didn't get my makeup product, but it is annoying. Like, I ordered something and they didn't ship it, and from watching other unboxings from the pop-up store or add-ons from Boxycharm, someone else online has also said that they have to email them because there's always like a product or two missing. And when you get a lot of products, it's not that hard to realize a product is missing. So I double checked after watching her video. So thank you, subscription sisters. But the one product that I was really looking for, it was this facial mist that had like a gradual self tanner in it. So I thought that would be useful too. I do have some self tanner for my face, but it's running out and it can be a little deep. So I thought I could refreshen my skin and get a gradual tan. But yeah, that is what I have in the box. It was, I can't remember the total cost, but it was pretty affordable for these products. And there was a lot of more products that I wanted to buy. There was some really good Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley is a very expensive company that makes skincare products. Some of their stuff could go for over $100. But even with it being on sale, I didn't want to spend that much. So maybe next time. I think their next pop-up shop is in November. But that's what I have from Boxycharm. I will let you guys know how these products worked out for me. If I like them, then you'll see them in an empties video. So thank you and have a great day.